welcome to BlueScope's Western Sydney Service Centre number 8 coil paint line. So over here we're at the entry of the paint line. Coils arrive on trucks from our metal coating lines down in Port Kembla, where they're unloaded by a magnet crane to avoid damage. They're then placed in our coil field until they're scheduled up onto our line, as per the customer's requirements of thickness and width. They're placed on the line where they've got the packaging removed. They're then quality checked to make sure the right coil, right dimensions are loaded before they're brought to the line, where they're then stitched to the outgoing coil, ready to pass through our painting process.
We've just walked into the paint room, and if we have a pan over here, here's some of the crew that are working nice and hard. Say hello, everyone. Hey. They're doing a fantastic job here. Can you tell us what happens here, Mo?
Yeah, so Tim, so we saw the stitcher. So before the strip gets here, it's been upstairs, it's been cleaned and washed and rinsed and had some pre-treatment chemical put on, a primer put on and baked and cured before it comes to the coater room, where we put on the final coat of our 3-coat system, and that'll be the colour that the customer will see. So we have the ability to make the full range of ColourBond products here in number 8 paint line. But we have multiple coaters on each of the surfaces, so we can change between colours very quickly.
So Mo, where's the next place we're off to?
So next place, Tim, is the ovens where we cure the ColourBond.
Excellent. How are we going to get there?
Let's go this way.
I have a better idea, actually. Speaking about modern manufacturing, watch this. Sorry, guys.
Wow, I didn't know the buttons could do that.
There you go. You learn something every day, Mo. Hey, where are we now? What's the next step of the process?
So following the strip passing through the coater room and getting the paint applied on it, it needs to pass through our ovens and cure it. So that involves burning off the solvent to allow the paint to cure and become hard and set, ready to go out to the customer.
All right, Mo, so let's go see some of the finished product, where it all ends up.
Come in here, Tim. So this is the finished ColourBond, where we inspect it at the exit before we recoil it and cut it to the right coil mass as per the customer's requirements. Following on from here, we collect a sample from every coil, take it into our lab.
Looks nice through here, little tunnel. I won't touch anything.
It's where all the inspections happen, and then we come into our lab where we put a sample from every coil through a set of stringent quality tests to make sure it stands up to the guarantee of quality that we give our customers.